Welcome to Mission 2, Extruding Labyrinth. Extruding means to pull and extend. And as you see in this little animation that we see on the screen, we are pulling on a face of a cube to create some sophisticated and extended geometries. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up a Blender file. So let's do that. In this mission, we are going to start off with a cube. So, in continuation with the first mission, we want to go into object view to edit mode, or object mode to edit mode, so that we can access the extruding tool. The first step is we can extrude a variety of things. We can extrude an edge, and we can also extrude a face. So right now, for the fun of it, let's extrude a face. We're going to click on face mode or face select so that we can select a face. And so when we click on the face, it's highlighted. And then we're going to go to the extrusion tool or extrude region tool. It will say shortcut, shift space bar and or E. You can press E as a shortcut. I'm going to click on that icon right there. And a plus sign should appear on the side of your cube. And with that plus sign, you can click on the plus sign and extend. And so we have just extended this or extruded this face. And we can continue extruding the face as long as the extrusion tool is selected. So extrude to your heart's content. And the goal behind this one is to create a labyrinth with the extrusion tool. With just one cube. Okay, and when you're done with your extruded object, make sure we go to file and we save, because the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying a texture to this. And so realize applying textures and materials is going to be one of those processes that are going to be part of every single mission. And so let's go to the desktop and let's create a folder. And the way you create a folder through Blender is clicking on this create new directory button. Looks like a folder. Well, it is a folder. Click on that folder and a new folder should open up. And so let's call this mission 2 Extruding Labyrinth. And so realize I am not done yet, because I have not made a labyrinth yet. But assuming that I am done, I'm going to show you how to save your file through Blender. Alright, let's open up that folder and call this file mission 2 dash extruding labyrinth. I think I spelled labyrinth wrong on the other one. Anyways, press save. And also, before you press save as, let's make a new folder for textures. And then we'll save it. We'll save the file in that folder. Okay. The next step is let's find a wall granite like texture that represents like a labyrinth. So let's go to a Google search and let's see. Let's say labyrinth. All right, let's try this one out. See any markers here? I'm gonna right click, save image as. And I am going to open up my mission 2 folder. Let's go to the desktop, find mission 2 Extruding Labyrinth, and save this texture in that folder. And I'm going to call this Labyrinth. Texture. Okay. Let's go back to Blender. let's texture this image, and so as a review, let's make sure the cursor goes down to the bottom right hand corner of your view screen. Click and drag to the left or drag upwards. Let's go to shader editor, and let's apply texture or color, and go to add texture image, and let's attach that labyrinth texture to this labyrinth that we just made. Okay, so we did that. Let's view how it looks like by clicking on our shader preview or material preview mode, and it looks something like that. And there are ways in which we can remedy these straight lines, because these are not really labyrinths. So this is all about experimenting what type of configuration we want. There you go. So let's say I want to use that texture. Okay, when you are done with this mission, you're gonna go to File, make sure you press Save, and then go to File and External Data, and automatically pack into blend, so that that texture is attached into the file. And now we are ready to submit the Extruding Labyrinth file in, or folder in.